National Independence Day is a national day in Poland celebrated on 11 November to commemorate the anniversary of the restoration of Poland's sovereignty as the Second Polish Republic in 1918 from the German, Austro-Hungarian and Russian empires. Following the partitions in the late 18th century, Poland ceased to exist for 123 years until the end of World War I, when the destruction of the neighbouring powers allowed the country to re-emerge. It is a non-working day in Poland. The restoration of Poland's independence was gradual. The date of 11 November is the one on which Marshal Józef Piłsudski assumed control of Poland. It was a day of military ceremony since 1920. The holiday was constituted in 1937 and was celebrated only twice before World War II. After the war, the communist authorities of the People's Republic removed Independence Day from the calendar, though reclamation of independence continued to be celebrated informally on 11 November. The holiday was officially replaced by the National Day of Poland's revival as Poland's National Day, celebrated on 22 July anniversary of the Communist PKWN manifesto under Joseph Stalin. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.